In Tamil Nadu, with rain stopping in Chennai as well as districts in its vicinity, problems of the people have come down. There has been some momentum in the rescue and relief operations. Rail and air services continue to be disrupted, but the government has taken steps to evacuate stranded people. Intermittent rains were reported on Thursday night in cities including Kodambakkam, T Nagar and suburban Tambar. However, Friday morning saw bright skies.
रेन नहीं है फिर भी वाटर लॉगिंग है, उसके कारण लोगों को समस्याएं हो रही हैं। आज साउथ चेन्नई के सभी इलाकों में हम जाएंगे और हमने टीम्स का सेक्टर में बांट दिया है और उनको देख रहे हैं कि हम किस तरह उनके पास पहुंचेंगे।
The break in rains resulted in a sharp fall in the discharge of waters from Chembarapakkam, Pondi and Pural lakes. Though the water was receding in many parts of the city, the misery of citizens continued as power remained suspended in many areas as a precautionary measure. Mobile phone services, which had taken a severe beating following the heavy downpour on Tuesday, were partially restored even as other services such as ATMs continued to remain shut. Relief and rescue operations have intensified in several areas where water has receded. NDRF has deployed 20 more teams to provide help to the flood-marooned people, and they have till now rescued over 10,000. NDRF has evacuated people from the affected areas through boats. NDRF has also opened Chennai Flood Helpline. The numbers are 011-2436-3260, 9711077372. Transport services were also showing signs of picking up. More and more number of people were travelling by Chennai Metro in the wake of suspension of bus and rail transport. Limited commercial flight operations started from Friday morning from the Rajali Naval Air Station in Arakonam near Chennai. Train services on the suburban Chennai-Arakonam stretch were partially restored. Railway Ministry has announced several steps.
We offered shelter to a lot of people on the platforms. We distributed thousands of food packets, not only to commuters but to others. 1 lakh bottles of rail neer have been dispatched to Tamil Nadu. We are conducting, even in these difficult situations, some skeleton service. The damage is enormous. We'll have to evaluate it only when the flood recedes. We'll know exactly to what extent, how much time is going to take to restore the full facilities.
While the Health Ministry has also chipped in with several relief measures and is fully ready to prevent any outbreak of diseases.
हमारे अधिकारी सभी समय समय पर उनके साथ टच में हैं। इस समय रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन पर काम चल रहा है। हमारी जो अपनी इंटीग्रेटेड डिजीज सर्विलेंस प्रोग्राम है वो अलर्ट पर है, हाई अलर्ट पर है।
The Indian Navy is also engaged in the relief works. INS Rawat has been deployed to distribute food and water to those affected.
The Navy has been at the forefront of providing support in terms of rescue as well as relief operations in the city of Chennai mainly. Earlier part of extreme high rainfall, when there was a lot of flooding, we were making do with all the resources that we have in Chennai and in Tamil Nadu with the Navy. We had our boats and rescue teams deployed.
Air Force, through its choppers, is reaching out with relief materials. Several agencies are engaged in relief works and social organizations have also pitched in. The Central Food Technology Research Institute of Mysore is sending 500 food packets. Several social organizations from Bengaluru are sending clean water and mobile chargers. The good news is that the Met Office has predicted no more rains in Chennai, but danger of floods loom large in some coastal districts like Kudalur and Nagapattinam.
चेन्नई में हैवी रेनफॉल की संभावनाएं अगले 2 दिनों तक काफी कम है। लाइट रेनफॉल वहां जारी रहेगी। हैवी रेनफॉल फिर वही पुडुचेरी, कुडालोर, नागापट्टिनम और जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है साथ में लगे हुए इन्हीं डिस्ट्रिक्ट में अगले 2 दिनों में आइसोलेटेड हैवी रेनफॉल होगा।
Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha and Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday did separate aerial surveys of the flood-ravaged areas. After an aerial survey of the flood-hit areas, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced an immediate release of 1,000 crore rupees for relief and rehabilitation works in Tamil Nadu. DD News.
Meanwhile, the Met Department has predicted heavy to very heavy rains in the next 48 hours. Airport Authority of India Chairman R.K. Srivastav said that things are normalizing and water has started to recede. He said that the situation is being reviewed and commercial operations will be resumed soon.
चेन्नई की स्थिति काफ़ी नियंत्रण में है और जैसा कि हम लोगों ने पहले तो 6 तारीख तक के लिए उसको ऑपरेशन को बंद किया था, बट हम लोगों ने सिचुएशन को रिव्यू किया है। रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन के साथ साथ जो ऑपरेशनल है, कमर्शियल ऑपरेशन है, पैसेंजर्स के लिए पूरा एयरपोर्ट खुल जाए, उसकी दिशा में हम लोग कार्यरत हैं और हम लोग एक स्टेप आगे बढ़ चुके हैं।
Earlier, the Director General of NDRF briefed about the relief and rescue operations underway.
This has been so far the most massive deployment in any flood-related situations. It's a huge deployment consisting of more than 1,500 people. We have 21 officers and with nearly 200 boats, inflatable rubberized boats, which are deployed in all parts of the state. And they have been rescuing people day in and day out. So far, we have rescued more than 16,000 people in different parts of the state. We are trying to step up our activities and intensify our activities in those areas where still waterlogged and where the people are still trapped. They may be in need of relief materials, may be in need of water bottles or the food stuff.
Moving on.